come to me, working on a mystery, going wherever it leads, running down the dream.
Yo guys, I got a good joke for you.
Alright, spit it.
What does a farmer use to count his cows?
I don't know, what?
A calculator.
Guys, who ate all the Cheetos?
Well, it couldn't have been me. I was reading it at a rate of 5 cosine 0.1x plus 15 for only 40 minutes.
Kyle, it has to be you.
Well, it couldn't have been me. I was eating at a rate of e to the 0.5x for only 10 minutes.
Alright, I was eating at a rate of negative 0.3x squared plus 1.5x plus 18. Nelson over here was eating at a rate of ln 30x plus 15.
Whoa. I was only eating for 30 minutes.
Well, it says there are 3,100 cheese doodles on this.
Guys, I think we should go home, use integration, and find out how many we ate.
Alright guys, whoever ate the most cheese puffs is gonna get punished.
Alright, we're going to meet up at Holmes' Hill with our work. Ready?
What are you doing?
Just get doing it.
Okay, I ate at a rate of negative 0.03x squared plus 1.5x plus 18 over the course of 60 minutes. Now, I can find out how many Cheetos I ate by first taking this function and integrating it from 0 to 60. Now, the way I integrate this is by finding the antiderivative of this, plugging in 60, plugging in 0, and then finding the difference between those two values. So I can do this by first finding the antiderivative of this. Okay, now I found this antiderivative by taking the exponent of the original function, adding 1 to it, and then dividing the whole value by that exponent. And I did that for each of these values as well. So now I have to plug in 60 to this new antiderivative and plug 0 into it, and then subtract those two to find out how many Cheetos I ate. So after all that, I found my answer to be 1620. So that's how many Cheetos I ate.
Oh my god. 1620. That's more than half of the Cheetos that were in the bag. That means I ate the most. Oh my god. I had to do something about this.
I ate queso crisps at a rate of e to the 0.5x for 10 minutes. To find out how many I ate, I can make the integral from 0 to 10 minutes of e to the 1/2 x dx. I can solve this by taking the antiderivative by setting the exponent equal to u. Then I take the derivative of that and get du equals 1/2 dx. Because it's 1/2 dx, you multiply the integral by 2 to cancel out the 1/2. To finish finding the antiderivative, I multiply 2 times the derivative of e to the u, which is just 2 times e to the u. Because u equals 1/2 x, I plug that into 2e to the u to get the antiderivative, which is equal to 2e to the 1/2 x. Finally, I plug in 10 and 0 into the antiderivative and take the difference of those two values to get 295.
Yes, I knew I didn't eat the most Cheetos. Oh!
Now that Kyle is knocked out, I can alter his work so it looks like he ate the most. I'll do this by increasing the coefficient in front of the exponent from 0.5 to 0.75, or 1/2 to 3/4. This will increase the final result, so it seems like Kyle ate the most Cheetos. It'll look like he ate 2,409 Cheetos in the end. I gotta get out of here before he wakes up.
Oh no, I actually did eat the most Cheetos. I gotta do something about this.
I ate at a rate of ln 30x plus 15 dx for 30 minutes, so I have to integrate from 0 to 30. Integral of ln 30x plus 15 dx equals the integral of ln 30x dx plus the integral of 15 dx. So let's start by taking the integral of 15. Any number with no variable in front of it has an antiderivative of that number times x. So the antiderivative is 15x. Okay, this equation is more difficult because you have to do a thing called integration by parts. So first you take the derivative of ln 30x, then you take the antiderivative of the number in front of it, and in this case it's 1 because there's nothing there. You put the number inside the parentheses under 1, multiply it by the number next to x, which leaves you with 30 over 30x, and this simplifies into 1 over x. The antiderivative of 1 is 1 times x, so it's just x. To integrate by parts, you times that by this. Now you subtract it by the integral of x times 1 over x. Now we add 15x to this to get the final antiderivative answer. And this entire thing simplifies to. So to find how many cheese puffs I ate, I plug in 0 and I plug in 30 for x, and I find the difference between them. After calculating this, I found that I ate 624 cheese puffs, which is not the majority. Yes, I know I didn't eat the most cheese puffs. Your turn, Mr. Pineapple.
Oh, look at this here calculus.
I changed the 15 to a 6x, which made the antiderivative x ln 30x minus x plus 6x squared, giving Michael Nelson a total answer of 2,874 cheese puffs.
Now everyone will think that Michael Nelson ate the most. I gotta get out of here before he wakes up.
What just happened? Whoa. I ate 2,874 cheese doodles. I know what I have to do.
Alright, to figure out how many Cheetos I ate, I can use the integrate from 0 to 40 of 5 cosine 0.1x plus 15 dx.
Matthew, time for dinner.
Oh boy!
Change the interval from 0 to 40 to 0 to 200 so the final answer is bigger. He won't even notice.
Alright, now where was I? Okay. So, like I was saying, the integral of 5 cosine 0.1x plus 15 from 0 to 200. So the first step is to find the antiderivative, which is 0.5 sine 0.1x plus 15x plus c. The next step in integrating is putting in the top value and the bottom value and subtracting the two. This equals to 3,045.
Oh no, this means I ate the most poodle noodles. What are they gonna do to me?
Alright, does everyone have that work?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see who ate the most.
Alright, guys, I'm really sorry. I ate the most Cheetos. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, dude. I changed your work. I changed it because I ate the most.
You think you ate the most? I changed your work. I actually ate the most. But I only did it because somebody changed my work.
Wait, wouldn't that mean that Chris ate the most then?
He's getting away! Oh my god, they're chasing me. I have to get away. The only way is off the cliff.
Look at this photograph. Every time I do, it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? And what the hell is on Joey's head? This is where I grew